So Dr. Bhavani Shankar is a member Board of Governors, Higher Education Commission, Pakistan. And the topic of Dr. Bhavani Shankar is improving the effectiveness of the academic delivery. Dr. Bhavani, as I told you, the member of BOJ HEC, and at present he is the professor, emeritus professor, faculty of electrical and electronic and computer engineering, and advisor, Mehran University Engineering and Technology, Kanchoro. He has varied teaching and research experiences of more than 3 decades in diversified fields such as electronics, telecommunication, microprocessor technology, IoT or Internet of Things, wireless sensor networks, and so on. He has remained PhD examiner and expert to evaluate promotion applications for several European and Pakistan universities. He is a recipient of Higher Education Commission University Best Teacher Award, uh, awarded by the Federal Minister of Education, and National Cultural Award in 2002 in recognition of the achievement in the field of engineering profession. In 2017, he has been awarded highly esteemed title of Distinguished National Professor of Pakistan. Also, he remained a lead person for 4 European Commission Erasmus Mundus exchange programs. So I invite Professor Dr. Bhavani Shankar to present his research work in today's conference, keeping in view that Bhavani Shankar Sahab has only 20 minutes. Dr.
Thank
Bhavani
you,
Shankar Sahab.
thank you, Dr. Mazhar Ali Dotju. As just please note, I'm starting at 4:15 instead of 4:10. So I will definitely finish by 4:35.
Sir, thank you very
Uh,
much. Thank you. Sir,
all
you
right,
you have 20 minutes, and
right.
5 minutes before your time is up, either Mazhar Saab or I will give you a small hit
Yeah,
that we have 5 minutes more. But thank you very
that's
much.
important.
Yeah.
So I have started sharing my screen. Has it appeared there?
Yes, sir. We are seeing
Is
it.
it in slideshow? It's not coming into slideshow. Oh, now it's there.
Yes, it's okay. It's okay now.
Yes, sir.
It's okay. Now let me just set it. Okay. First of all, I'm grateful to Sindh team and Dr. Mazhar. First of all, Dr. Mazhar contacted and, of course, then had a good talk with Dr. Mashu. Of course, is our engineer, but I would all the contribution he is doing. Mashood Qazi should get honorary degree sometime. This is how alumni actually rewards to their graduates in Europe, those who contribute even in journalism, they get honorary PhD degrees. So I think it's a good platform to introduce about such honorary degrees in future. Before bringing my topic in, a few things. Let me the date whatever is chosen Feb, very important. Feb is the month when Space Station Mir was launched. Feb is the month when IBM launched its portable PC. Feb is the month when John Glenn became first American to orbit Earth. So we have got, of course, bigger challenge than this, as already everyone mentioned. What I have got in my kitty is actually my experience. Whatever 35 years to 40 years experience जेको मुंहिंजो आहे in higher education, actually I am sharing that, and at the end I also reassess myself, and I propose some reassessment for every teacher. I think if we have that reassessment, we can improve to some extent. So it's basically improving the effectiveness of academic delivery. What I have experienced, what I believe every student, because as already everyone mentioned, that every student should have a successful career. So how, when I witnessed, when I mentored some of those students, not some of those, now could be hundreds, and how they have successful careers. So I will go through those things. First, I start with my humble beginning. I read in Malcolm Gladwell, The Story of Success. Who we are cannot be separated. असां हिकिड़े थर जे नंढड़े ॻोठड़े मां मुंहिंजो वास्तो आहे उते ई पैदा थियो आहियां इन्ही नमूने स्कूल्स हूंदियूं हुयूं खेखड़ा हलंदा हुआ and everyone now knows Thar has become turned into that Thar coal into black gold, and we have got enough energy to support Pakistan's energy requirements for next 100 years. These are some of the visits just to see and believe what is going on there at Thar coal. I think almost every head of state visited that place, and this is one of the inauguration of 660 megawatt. And of course, I have to mention about Mute, which has got many now iconic buildings, not only iconic buildings, but it has moved forward ahead, having like on the bottom left, you find the Office of Research, Innovation, Commercialization, and nowadays a recently technology park is also side by side. On the right bottom, you find the IICT, on the top e-resource center, which is as our Vice Chancellor, Dr. Ukeli, even announced, we started having 24 hours open, but after 12, we thought it's, because of security and other things. So it used to open even up to 12 midnight, student used to study there. And then in the center, we have got our new admin building. So I don't go through the list, the basis of this particular talk, my experience, because presentation will be there. So I won't be going through that detail. I will go through flow of presentation. Here, what I want to mention, role of teacher. मुंहिंजो रुगो इहो आहे त टीचर जो रोल जेको असां जॾहिं प्राइमरी में पढ़ंदा हुआसीं त हुते ज़िक्र हलंदो तालीम ऐं तरबियत. So I think that tarbiyat component miss thi viyo aa. The role of teacher in my dictionary, in my mind, is teacher has to inspire, teacher has to motivate, teacher have to empower every young budding student actually, and to help them building their professional career, encourage them to get a job, launch a startup, move toward entrepreneurship. How some of them, they are nowadays, world is open, so how they should get scholarship opportunities. And being a teacher, are we assessing ourselves? That is again my main focus, which I have been doing over the period of last 30 years. I have got some of the diary and data and some published work as well. So I placed that. So that is the main focus of my presentation. So first thing, when I go to class, I always say time is most precious asset. The time student really, they have, hours and hours and hours. Even whatever presentation, even I have to give in Denmark or in Spain or in US, in California or in Canada, Singapore, Malaysia, first version I get from my students done. Then I have second version from master's student, and third version I go through myself or PhD students. So they have got a lot of talent. We have to, whenever I go into class, I always let them realize उन्हनि खे इहो ॿुधाईंदा आहियूं त तव्हांजो टाइम हिकिड़ो माने केॾो क़ीमती आहे. जेकॾहिं तव्हांजो हिकिड़ो साल हलियो वञे, तव्हां टर्म बैक थी वञो, ईयर तव्हांजो हलियो वञे, तव्हांजी एडमिशन नथी थिए, तव्हां सॼो साल फैमिली में, दोस्तनि में, ॿियनि में तव्हां केॾो पछताईंदा हूंदो. साॻे नमूने असां ॾिठो आहे, हिकिड़ो मेडिकल डॉक्टर्स ॿुधाईंदा आहिनि, जेकॾहिं बेबी जेका आहे प्रीमेच्योर अची वञे थी, माने टाइम ते नथी अचे, त उहा वरी सॼी उमिरि उनखे 8 मासियो सिंधी में चवंदा आहिनि, या उहो सॼो माने तकलीफ़ में रहंदी आहे. हिकिड़ो लेबर आहे, bread and butter for him is really matter of life and death. If one day he couldn't get that, opportunity or money or job or whatever. One comes to the 1 hour, it reminds me one of the good joke, but I'm not sharing that joke here, of Einstein, that girlfriend and boyfriend, if they wait for one another, 1 hour is really hell of time for them. But sometimes we miss the train by 1 minute or a plane by 1 minute. See, the 1 minute is so precious. Similarly, असां इलाही दफ़ा चवंदा आहियूं हम बाल बाल बच गए, हिकिड़े सेकंड जे करे एक्सीडेंट मां बची वियासीं. Second is very important. Then comes to millisecond. If you miss the gold medal at only 1 millisecond, see how that is important for you. So, asa teachers jo jeko role hai, jeko missing component, what I feel, I have been advocating. I always take this slide into my class and I ask students, If you don't have anything, you have got this very big thing, is a major asset you have got. So then I take them that, you know, what my algorithm is to road to success. What I consider in the class, every student is a project. Every student has got a potential. Every student is a unique. Someone has got talent of, you know, creativity, some good in mathematics, some are good in physics, some are good in chemistry, some are good in project management, event management, social work. So I try to identify, and whatever good quality they have got, I have to appreciate that one. So what one thing here is message is create positive attitude in those students, that yes, you have got good talent, that is big support, but you have to achieve this minimum things. You have to pass some of the very success story. We have got one of the Mashuk Siddiqui, who is an electronic graduate, and now he's a controller of examination. I remember I returned from UK, and the way, but I saw him many other administrative potential qualities. So I used to give him those tasks, and he really turned out from the plantation officer. He has become, you know, controller, registrar, director of finance, whatnot. So, and other thing which our vice chancellor used to emphasize a lot, owning everything. You know, असां जॾहिं वेंदा आहियूं न, पखा छोकिरा ॿाहिरि निकिरंदा, मल्टीमीडिया हुते पियो हूंदो, को चोरी करे वेंदो, पोइ इंक्वायरियूं वेठियूं हलनि, पोइ इहो वेठो थिए, सॼो टाइम असांजो ज़ाया थियो वञे। उन्हनि खे 4-5 ॼणनि खे सभिनी खे इहो रियलाइज़ कराइबो आहे त बाबा यू ओन एवरीथिंग। मूंखे 18 साल मां इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स टेलीकॉम बायोमेडिकल डिपार्टमेंट जो चेयरमैन रहियुसि। मूंखे यादि कोन्हे त कॾहिं का कंप्लेन आई त को हिकिड़ो रजिस्टर जेको 2 आने जो आहे उहो बि कॾहिं गुम थियो हुजे। माने छोकिरा ऐं स्टाफ सभु ओन कंदा हुआ शयुनि खे। इंगेज देम इन प्रोफेशनल डेवलपमेंट। असांखे को व्हील रीइन्वेंट न करिणो आहे। दुनिया जूं एॾियूं इंटरनेशनल बॉडीज़ आहिनि, नेशनल बॉडीज़ बि आहिनि। लाइक मां मिसाल ॾींदुसि, इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिकल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इंजीनियर्स वर्ल्ड में US में आहे, उन जूं ब्रांचिस पाकिस्तान जी हर यूनिवर्सिटी में आहिनि। IEEE पाकिस्तान आहे, सोसाइटी ऑफ सिविल इंजीनियर्स आहे, पेट्रोलियम इंजीनियर्स आहे, मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर्स आहे। असांजा टीचर उन्हनि खे उन प्रोफेशनल डेवलपमेंट में आणी न। मां नथो सम्झां जॉब जी को जॉब जो प्रॉब्लम जेको असांजे हिकिड़े छोकिरे हीअं डिस्कस पे कयो। If they develop in those 4 years is a really massive time for them. So they must realize to go and pay back to society, like you people are doing, most of you nowadays realizing and all this. Sometime I do have a cup of tea with them and arrange their internship and brunch with, with the CEOs and all these things. So, and other, I always emphasize that those students who have followed these guidelines, like keeping a diamond diary, please add 10 new English word daily in your that diamond diary. एक कॉपी आप जो है वो टीवी, कंप्यूटर, बुक, नोट, न्यूज़पेपर के लिए रख दें। आज न्यूज़पेपर में जो अच्छी चीज़ आई, कंप्यूटर रिलेटेड चीज़ आई, टेलीविज़न ते को शइ आई, उहो तव्हां हुन में नोट कंदा वञो। तव्हां रोज़ जो यू एड 1 or 2 वीकली लीडिंग साइंटिस्ट, इन्वेंटर, हु इज़ द रिचेस्ट पर्सन, रीड दैट, रिव्यू दैट प्रोफाइल वीकली, visit websites of professional bodies like, and there are so many international awards. I don't know why they are not getting. I can quote one of his students, Sarang Sheikh. He traveled as a IEEE Mehran University में मूं वटि टेलीकॉम डिपार्टमेंट जो हो ऐं मूं वटि हिकिड़ो ब्रांच काउंसलर हो ऐं he traveled 23 times to US. On the record I mentioned 23 times. Even he hasn't completed masters yet. He is now in Australia. So because he involved himself in those international bodies, he became advisor to the IEEE president on entrepreneurship and mobile app development and all those things. So there are many job opportunities. We have to inform. No one, students, sometimes I don't know what, they don't bother that there are so many jobs in international organizations. I'll share at the end, and I have shared many of things in my book as well. Review your own core subject. असांजो केली साहब छा कंदो आहे, जॾहिं वाइवा लेक्चरर्स खां या स्टूडेंट्स खां या अपॉइंटमेंट जे टाइम पुछंदो आहे, साईं बेसिक शयूं पुछंदो आहे, ऐं उहे चवंदा आहिनि साईं असां त विसारे छॾियूं आहिनि। त इहे शयूं ॾाढियूं इंपॉर्टेंट हूंदियूं आहिनि। उहे पंहिंजो किथे तव्हां डायरी में नोट कयो, उनखे रीकैप कंदा वञो। This actually next slide is only for motivation of student, for nothing else. This is, as I said, हिकिड़ो मुंहिंजो नुस्ख़ो आहे, जॾहिं वेंदो आहियां लेक्चर स्टार्ट ई कंदो आहियां कंहिं मोटिवेशन सां, स्टूडेंट खे ॿुधाईंदो इहो आहियां त you are born to innovate. I I used to quote them Ahmad Zoal, whose book is very interesting, Walks of Life to the Nobel Prize, first Egyptian who got Nobel Prize in femtochemistry, Salam, and many other people. I just go through them. And then myself and Professor O'Kelly and many other teachers, we always ask student, you don't worry about fail. Fail is nothing, it's first attempt in learning. Sometimes they fail in one subject and I don't know why they get so much discouraged. So we have to mention all these things. And we have to mention so many people failed. I don't go one by one into these, but these are the things we used to quote. I used to quote to students that who did not fail, from Henry Ford to Thomas Edison, and I used to show them the picture of that Edison Park in New Jersey where he demonstrated, first bulb, all these things. So these slides are only to motivate students because they are having a young brain. असांजो मज़हर सिद्दीकी साहब चवंदो आहे त माना ही गुलनि जहिड़ा ॿारड़ा आहिनि, यूनिवर्सिटी में अचूं था त उहे दे लुक फ्रेश, दे ऐं उन्हनि खे तव्हां जीअं अॻिते मोल्ड कंदो उन हिसाब सां उहो सक्सेसफुल पंहिंजो रोल प्ले कंदा.
Dr. Saab, you have 5 more minutes.
No, it's 10 minutes only. अञा थिया आहिनि साईं, मां 5 मिनट लेट सां शुरू कयो आहे.
Sai, you have to finish it.
Oh, sorry, 5 minutes. No, you are right. Sahin, bilkul correct. Stop watching, bilkul. Okay, I'll do that one. So, I will come to this slide. So, these things are again, they have to write what are their interests, what they have to reassess themselves, the opportunities available around the world. Teacher have to show so many scholarship opportunities are available around the globe. These all are list of the opportunities we have to place on the website, encourage them from second year. Nowadays, like a floodgates are open. I remember first student was Talha Rahmani from Mehran. He went in 2007-8, Professor Ukali Saab, he was a registrar. I got a permission for exchange and it's like a floodgates are open now. Now we are having more than, 500-600 students gone under such exchange programs. So all that is compiled into a one book, and again it is written by Junaid Sheikh, one of my students, and I became the editor, Career Roadmap Guide for Engineers. It has got all those opportunities and details, how our students get benefit, and the book is free. The book is launched on Jinnah Convention in Jinnah Convention Center on Jinnah Day, 25th December 2011. Book is free, book is available on PEC website, ResearchGate, Academia. Whenever I mention, only 10%, 15% students, they access that thing. So everyone is not, getting benefit from these things. So I will skip that. I will only go to 4 dimensions of knowledge that actually in our university, whenever there's a presentation and speech, our Vice Chancellor, Dr. O'Kelly used to say, and I just put into graphical shape in that one, that forget we have teacher-centered learning where teacher comes, talks about his topic and is becomes means of knowledge. He is no more source of knowledge. Then student, they must discuss about that project and apply problem-based learning, OB-based learning, which is like after Washington Accord, we are part of that. Then they must go knowledge application. I think Rizvi will focus more on that. Knowledge application and knowledge commercialization. I myself got 1 or 2 videos exactly giving example, whatever we have taught Ohm's law, how we get benefit from that Ohm's law. So videos are available. JKB student lecture puro natha disi sakan, they should go towards that video. And this slide actually, because of constraint of time, I'm going a bit faster. These are again actually some of the qualities which every teacher should have and should be followed. Then there is a self-assessment for teachers. I don't know how many teachers they do assess themselves that how many articles they have written in magazines, newspaper on emerging topics for creating public awareness, how many webinar lectures on emerging topics per week they have attended, how many keynote invited talks, webinar they have delivered outside their institution, how many training workshops they have attended in last 2 years, how many training workshops, seminar they have conducted, organized in last 2 years, how many times they have visited even their university website, HEC, PSF. When I got a real data. The data is really I can't present here. It is so disturbing data. How many videos of graduation ceremony, talks of international university you have viewed every month? Is amazing to watch those videos of convocation ceremony. Do you refer free books available like career roadmap to students? How many professional membership you have? So things like these are some of the questionnaires. Have you been technical program committee member of any international conference? Our teachers are not applying. Even in some other countries, students are their member. Uh, of course, we are encouraging, we are here, but again, only 10-20% they take interest. So, how many have you been guest editor of a special issue? We have got so much PhD faculty here, and they are not. Uh, Everyone has to take that part. I think then we don't see any day that our graduate gets jobs. Thank you very much.